AI agents can now suggest their own prompt, tool, and routing changes. The hidden risk is that a plausible but weak lesson becomes permanent configuration. Agent DriftGuard is a flight recorder and rollback gate for that self-improvement loop. During Build Week, Codex audited our first demo and found a critical chronology flaw. The proposal was recorded after the outcomes, so its prediction was not truly locked in advance. We rebuilt the experiment order and integrity tests. A GPT-5.6 Codex worker then implemented this audit dashboard from the reports field level contract. The complete demo runs with one Python command. It uses only the standard library, with no packages, keys, accounts, or build step. Here is the deterministic rollback scenario. The baseline is 3 passes out of 4, or 0.75. Before any candidate result exists, DriftGuard locks the proposal and predicts that a new rubric will improve hit rate by plus 0.15. Only then does it register the candidate batch. The candidate scores 0 out of 4, so the actual change is minus 0.75. All 16 outcomes are machine verifiable. The SHA-256 chains verify 32 ledger events and 3 proposal events. Selecting this failed agent run reveals both the original prediction and the review verdict. Editing or reordering either event breaks integrity and blocks state reconstruction. The raw evidence remains inspectable, rather than hidden behind a model-generated summary. 3 independent sensors now evaluate the change. Hit rate falls from 75% to 0. Prior error rises from 0.188 to 0.608, while the stable anchor channel stays accurate. The lesson gate remains blocked, so this failed pattern cannot enter a future prompt or silently rewrite the system. The final action is deterministic. Roll back the config and pause lesson injection. The model can propose, but it cannot grade its own proposal. The same command with the keep scenario verifies a genuine improvement and returns keep change. The guard is selective, not permanently pessimistic. Agent DriftGuard gives agent builders a missing control plane. Predictions locked before outcomes. Tamper evident evidence. Calibration, drift detection, and reversible decisions.